welcome to another edition of Xbox Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsers Backlit Folding Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This is for portable keyboard. It folds in half, it is backlit, and it also includes the mouse, completely wireless. Let's flip it over to the back real quick, and you can see it is wireless. It is rechargeable. The keys are scissor key styles, and it is completely foldable. There are 3 channels, and over here in specifications you'll see it has 2 Bluetooth channels and one 2.4 gigahertz channel. So there's a little dongle, a USB dongle you can use to connect to this wirelessly through 2.4, or you can use Bluetooth, and it has 2 Bluetooth channels. That's both the keyboard and the mouse. Keyboard is 1200 mAh battery. The mouse has a 500 mAh battery. The keyboard has about 500 days standby time, and the mouse has 150 days standby time. That's if you have it on. So really great capacity battery. So let's open it up and take a look at what you get. Cord every inspiration, nice packaging. Open it up. Fold to go, unfold to create, which is great. You've got your welcome sort of kit here. It's going to have all your important stuff, warranty information, and your user manual that tells you how to set this up and how it all works. And it's letting you know your kit's there. You've got your quick start guide here, which is great. Gives you simple instructions on how you can get up and running very quickly and how the different things work. You can change the brightness on these keys as well as the color of the keys if you're using the backlit. So that's cool, and all that information is here for you. And then this is the device itself, and it does come with a nice little carrying case. Nice carbon fiber carrying case with a handle, making it easy to go with you wherever you go. This is great if you do a lot of work on a tablet or on a phone, and you just want to, be efficient when you do that. Obviously, a keyboard's going to be very helpful for that. And here you have what looks like this is a little stand, probably a stand for your phone or your tablet if you're using it with this keyboard, as well as your charging cord. Type-C charging cord. Nice pouch to hold all that. And you've got your mouse here. Let's take that out. This is your mouse, and it's a RGB mouse, so this little liner on there that lights up in RGB colors. Very lightweight. You can see on the bottom here you've got those 3 channels. You got the 2.4 gigahertz, which will work with the dongle, which is right here. There's your USB dongle, and love that. If you're not using that, it just stores in the base of the mouse. On-off switch, and then yeah, you got your switch to switch from either using the dongle or using Bluetooth 1 or Bluetooth 2, all right there. So nice, fits nice in the hand, feels good. And then you've got your keyboard. And this is nice. It folds. Oh, I see. That's how it works. I see. So it folds in half like this. When you open it, this slides to cover the whole thing. So it gives you a nice, it's going to sit well and not be slippery. Gives it a grippier surface so that it doesn't slip around. But when you fold it, that backs up in order to fit appropriately. So that's really cool. And here you go. This is the keyboard. It is backlit. I probably need to charge it up, but it does have the USB-C right there. USB-C, that's how you're going to charge it there. And yeah, I'll need to charge it in order to be able to use it, but it's got all the keys that I would expect it to have. The keys are a nice size. They are basically the same standard size as most laptops. So it's not like a mini keyboard where suddenly you can't type right because the keys are all tiny and different. Now these are standard size keys, just like a regular keyboard on any laptop, which is great. Looks really, really good, and the keys are very, very clicky. So yeah, feels very good. But this is just the unboxing, and that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. please subscribe to my channel if you have this playlist to keep up with future reviews. I will be doing a full demo review of this product very, very shortly, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Share this video with anyone who might be interested. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.